Hey honey, why don't you and your lemony friend let us put a crumbs in it?
It's Ms. Mustard, and I don't want you filthy cockslads near me. This is Chris from ModeMunch, and welcome to another fast food fight. The show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chain food periods and make them look and taste like the retail product source whilst reducing the cost. Imagine chicken tenders coated in crispy panko crumbs with Hoggs honey mustard dipping sauce. Well, after the first bite, I could taste the vinegar, which is unusual for a crumb fillet because it typically has a skin removed. They probably used it to kill the bacteria in the end jar, which was a sign that it had been frozen, so they probably used the vinegar just to plumpen it up a bit. For $12.95 for a restaurant appetizer, we would have hoped for something better than microwave meat and store-bought sauce. While you're here, subscribe to the fact that restaurants during lockdown are struggling so much that they have to get rid of their chefs and take shortcuts. Well, I'm going to do these properly. Sorry, Chris don't do shortcuts when it comes to Cooking Chook. Why do I sound like an English baby? Cut the chicken breast, fill it, and flatten it with a rolling pin. Boil it in water with lemon and white vinegar. Egg wash. Dip the chook in the egg wash and then into the panko breadcrumbs. Make sure you thoroughly cover both sides. Boil it in oil. I'm using veggie oil and shallow fry at 185 degrees Centurion. For the honey mustard sauce, I'm using honey white vinegar, refined caster sugar, whole egg mayonnaise, lemon, and Dijon mustard. Make it posh and wash it up. Came in at 3:30. This is Chris from ModeMunch. See you next Tuesday. Richardy. Crap.